I have ever experienced in my life. Seriously, like a lot of us wanted to cry, but we were so tired. We were so tired. We wanted to cry from happiness, but you know, in order to really cry and like process your emotions, you need to like calm down, you know. So like we're just like constantly like you know. So yeah, and oh my gosh, after Saturday, I think Millie tweeted this, but she was like, I've never in my life heard Enna snore, because I don't usually snore, but I know for a fact that when I snore, it means that I'm exhausted. And like that night, I snored because Millie told me, she was like, I've never heard you snore before. And so that must have been like, you must have been so tired. And I'm just like, yeah, but it was worth it. Thank you guys so much.